Look at those men trying to. Ooh, let me see this. Hey, those men are trying to pack the snow off the ground. Look at them. Ooh, it's cold. Look, and there's more. That one. It's so cold, and everything is white. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm trying to show everything. No, like only a few people are coming out. You can see those. Oh, that truck right there, Lincoln. And then where else? Right here. Look at the snow, right here, by the window. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna go. Oh, and look at these men. Right here trying to pack. It's crazy, man. This snow is crazy. I don't even think I'm gonna have school on Monday. Damn. Wow. I didn't know it was gonna be this crazy, to be honest. I thought people were just over exaggerating stuff, and the light keeps going on and off. And, in the house all day, and I know you guys are too. You guys better not go anywhere. Be safe. Don't be rebellious, and listen to the radio stations and CNN and any other news channel because they're right. Don't go outside. It's very dangerous. This feels like Christmas. Today feels like Christmas, to be honest. You know why? Because it's snowing. We're trapped in the house. We can't go anywhere, and like we can spend time with family. This should have been Christmas. This is how Christmas should have felt. This Christmas did not feel like this. I don't care what you say. It did not feel like this. First of all, it didn't snow, and like it wasn't that cold, and like it just didn't feel like Christmas. I wish today was Christmas though. Then it would feel like Christmas, you know. Yeah, man. But enjoy staying in the house, guys. And I will too. You guys can see that guy is stuck right there. And that guy's trying to pass him. They're going like 5 miles per hour. This is the only time people won't speed because they know something might go wrong. But you can see he's shoveling off the snow or something. It's what he did was stupid, right? He has a small car, and he knows he can't do anything. It's not like he has an SUV. He has a sedan, and he's trying to like go somewhere. Yeah, it's still. It's still going heavy. Those guys in the neon green they're done. They gave up because look, you remember when they were shoveling outside? They were shoveling and look, you remember when I showed you guys they were shoveling the stairs over there? Look at the stairs again. There was no point in trying. I don't know what they were doing over there. But yeah, and the trains they shut down the trains because before the trains were like passing by. Yeah. Yeah, we're staying home today. Well, we just found out the elevator's not working. See, curiosity is bringing us downstairs. Look at this. I'm snow swagged out. Except I can't walk properly because it's extra. What size is this? Size 12, right? Size 13. And I'm a size 10 and a half. So it's extra big on me. Nice. We're outside. That's what it looks like. Dude, look at this. Dude, look at the cars. Wow. Oh. Wow. Look at these cars. These cars are like, no, my car is not getting snow on it. This one too. But I'm sorry for the other cars. Wow, man. Snow is so deep. Whoa. Everything is white, man. What? Oh, you can see those people trying to clean something up over there. Wow, man. Oh, I had to switch hands. Other hands was looking freezing. Damn, man, look. These cars are enclosed in there. Like, look at that. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but they cannot move out of it. They cannot move out of it. Look at this. It's like, wow, they cannot move out of here. It's above their bumpers. Look at this one right here. It's enclosed. The snow is not letting, except this one. Look, I don't know. I think this one packed some snow off, man. Look at me tripping. I hope I don't fall. Wow, man. Wow, man. Those are the train tracks I was talking about. Wow, man, it's crazy. It's really crazy. I thought everybody was exaggerating these things. Went to ShopRite. Everyone was on the line. The lines were all full. We wanted to get tomatoes, and it would have been a hassle. Man, you got this guy generating snow off, whatever that thing is. Look at that. What is that anyways? I think it's a snow mower. It's warm though. Wow. Look at that, guys. That's so cool. The snow is shooting out. Wow, it's a snow mower. I'm trying to get out the way. Wow, my phone is getting wet. Okay, guys.
So, miraculously, the guy gave offered to help us. Oh, okay.
Wow. Even in here, the snow freaking sneaked in here. Let's everything up. Then you got this car. This car, unscathed by snow. And that one over there, scathed by snow. This one is the lucky one, right there. And guess whose car it is? This guy right here. He knew what to do. Yeah, man. Look at that. This is the only car here that has no snow on it. Your car is notorious now. Yeah, man. Hey, what happened to this guy's wipers? Wow, look at this. Look at this guy. He has no traction on his tires. Barely any cars out here. All you see is white. White, white, white. And it's still snowing. The snow still going at it. Oh, yeah. Record. Is it recording? Oh! 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 Yo!
Get out!
Call me the snowman now. Don't. Oh. Woman is having a little bit of a dilemma. Where is she? Right here. So her car is enclosed in where? Oh yeah, the car is right there. Wherever it is. The car is enclosed in there.
Where's your glove? Where's your gloves?
Exactly. Where's your gloves?
Where's your gloves?
He's trying to go in there to open the door because the.
You see, that's why it's good to be an athlete.
Lesson learned. You should never
Never ever park here.
Oh
Ever.
yeah.
Never.
In fact, I'm gonna make a sign.
The director was videoing you just in case you tripped. It will be an Instagram moment.
You're gonna go viral.
No, he didn't.
The snow was it was inside this exhaust. Still coming at it. No, trying to get this car out. You're welcome. I don't know if it's gonna move.
I hope you get a good Instagram moment.
Our tracks were hidden. Like there was so much snow was falling that our tracks are getting hidden. We only stayed outside for 20 minutes and our tracks were hidden. Oh my God. And these stairs are killing me. My hands were so cold. They're getting better now though. Good as you. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm glad we helped those people, though. Very happy. Look at this woman repping CNN. I like that jacket, though. She's suffering in that cold. She knows she doesn't want to be in there. The heart of the storm. Yeah, man. Back inside. Snow still going at it. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh, tell me what you're rubbing.
Gosh, look at my nose. God, there's no way I can get sick. I already got sick this season, so I'm not getting sick anymore. Oh, damn. Okay, so I'm going back downstairs to help my brother-in-law's neighbors to push the car. Yeah. Pray for my hands. That's all. That's the dilemma here. Just the hands, that's it. Alright. I'll tell you guys if we succeed or fail. But I think we're gonna succeed. Never mind. I'm gonna record this. This is a train charge. I'm late to the game. They already pushed the car out. You guys succeeded?
Yeah, huh?
You guys succeeded?
Coming from there, but this, we want to put it here.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Oh.
Don't stay over there because.
Again, because I was too slow up the stairs. He left me. Anyways, success. We got the car into the parking spot and we're good. I'm happy we helped those people. Now my hands are cold again. Man, success, right? Success.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I don't know if you guys can see that. That guy just jumped into that pile of snow right there. Right. Watch you to the end of this vlog. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Hope you had a good day and we're careful. Peace out. I love you.
Trying to figure out if you mean the things you do.